Hey guys, so it's finally time for me to show you our office. Finally, I know, office tour. We've done a home tour, we've done a home office tour, but we've never actually got to do an office tour. So today, I'm going to show you the space of Titan Digital Media, where all the magic happens. Let's go, come on. Start off with the entrance, of course. High-tech finger scanning. This usually doesn't happen. Give me a minute. Kevin? Yeah, can you help me open the door? It's not working. Yeah, I know it's not working. Just come and help me open the door. See, I've got people to help me open the door, right? Dude, I'm trying to edit. Alright. Okay, well, come on in. So the first thing you notice when you walk into Titan is that we are always filming. We're the home to many YouTube channels, and as the boss, when I walk in, I feel such a sense of pride, love, respect, adoration from everyone.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just doing an office tour.
Yeah, but I'm trying to film a video.
Yeah, well, you know, I thought it'd be a good time to sort of show the audience what we're doing at Titan.
Yeah, it's kind of like a bad time because you're interfering with my audio, so
Alright.
just keep it down. Okay?
Alright.
JianHao, you were saying about pride, love.
Well, that was passion right there. You know, at Titan, we're just so passionate about everything we do. We just put our heart and...
Can you just wait for me to finish?
Okay. Yeah, so right here we got a fridge. Yeah. Hey, you know what? Let's go to our office. You know, go to my office, a little more private space. We can talk there. So let's move on to somewhere a little more private. This is where I'd say I do a lot of my thinking, brainstorming, planning, and even where I meet some of my clients. So this is my personal space in the office. Come on in. So right here we have... Dude, what are you doing in my office? And sitting on my chair? Dude, what the hell?
Bro, this is my office. What are you talking about?
I mean, since you're so busy with your wedding, Trev is now a standing CEO.
Stand-in CEO? Dude, he doesn't even work here. He doesn't even work here.
Where's my coffee? Is it so hard to get me my cup of coffee? I have to do everything myself.
Sorry, excuse me.
We need to talk about this later. This is where I do a lot of, you know, just talking, meetings, and as you can see, this is my table here. One-on-one sessions, two-on-one sessions. We have a few news articles here. Oh, some merch. We have a telephone here, which I've never used before, but it does make the table look a little more professional, so I keep it here. Over there we have a beanbag. That's where Debbie does her lying down and chilling in the office when she follows me, but it's mainly now just Buncha chilling there, sleeping there, and a nice TV to watch, to present. We present our work. We don't watch TV during work hours. This is where I do a lot of my planning, some of that. You're gonna blur it out, right? Because we wouldn't want everyone to see this. Yeah. Yeah, so a lot of planning, a lot of deep thinking, brainstorming. It all happens in here. If you guys didn't know, Titan is the home to many YouTube channels like my channel, Ladies First, Playtime TV, The In Central, Create Studios, Not Good Gamers, and here is our the plaques that YouTube has sent us. This was the very first one for my channel, 100,000 subscribers. It's small, and I guess YouTube made it a little bigger. This is Ridwan's Create Studios. This is Not Good Gamers, 100,000 as well, so the ones on top are 100,000. And this is the 1 million gold button, gold play button, yeah, for 1 million. And this means a lot because this has been signed by everyone, or the people who played a part in the journey to 3 million. It's not done yet, but we're working on it. People are signing it, so yeah. And we have a few more channels in the works right now, so I'm really excited to share that with you. But we're also building a creator studio to help new creators, so I have to say, we are on the right track. Moving on. Alright, so let me introduce you guys to the team. Now we begin with the production team, and right here we have the first person, Kevin. You may see him in our videos. He's also a photographer, videographer. Yo, tell us what you're working on, Kevin. I thought you were supposed to edit the.
You want some food?
Let's not show that part. All right, and we have Razim. You know, I thought I was hiring an editor, but turned out I got a rapper instead. Yo, give me some of that. Give me some of that verse.
Hey yo, I don't need an intro. Maybe I do. I don't even know. Luigi and Mario. Gotta get the cardio. Cardi B and Sario. Gotta get the beef and make me stop.
Alright! Alright. Next up we have Mika. Mika, what are you working on today?
I'm doing a playtime video right now.
Finally, someone normal. Alright. Next up we have, this is supposed to be Hakim. Why don't you go onto your seat? Hakim is the one who does most of the editing and shooting for our main channel videos, as you can see. Show us something. Give us a sneak peek of the next video.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek of the next video. Whoa. Alright. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
And this is Echo. Echo, tell us what you're working on.
Oh, I'm working on a video for our new channel.
Our new channel, yo, no, don't show that, don't show that. That is a top secret. We got a new channel coming up, and you know, Echo is a really technical guy, and he reminds us of virus from NOC. So NOC has virus, we have bacteria. Next stop, the Russ. What up?
What up?
So tell us what you're doing, what you're working on.
I'm actually doing some online shopping.
Oh, online shopping. Yeah. Okay, wait, let's do that one more time. I was not expecting that. Alright, so next up we have Daras. So Daras, tell us what you're working on.
Oh, I'm editing an NGG video.
Ah. Next up, we have the ladies from Ladies First. Jailing, Amanda, Sierra, Callista. Yo, ladies, tell us what you're doing, Amanda.
So what we always do after we upload a video is basically check the statistics and the comments to make sure that everything is fine, it's well censored, nothing too vulgar, and yeah, that it's very wholesome. Yes.
Awesome, that's right. And we have Sierra. Sierra, what you working on?
So right now I'm doing stuff for the Ladies First Instagram, and Callista and I are both working on scripting new content for Ladies First.
Alright, and there you go. That is the production crew of Titan Digital Media. And I have to say, as a boss, you know, it must be a pleasure to work with me because I am just so patient, so understanding, just so loving and compassionate, just all the good qualities of a good boss, good leader. Right, guys? Look at that. Full of energy. Love it. Moving on to the gaming studio. We have our hardworking hosts, Dan and Vincent at Not Good Gamers.
So welcome back to the gaming channel where we are not good gamers, just good people who play games. Oh, look at it here. We got Hao right here. What are you doing here, Hao?
Let's just go back outside. So right here we have our calendar, and you may be wondering why are we not on Google Calendars, and that's because this system just works for us. You know, sometimes all of us just stand here and plan our shoots together, and to make sure everyone is updated, we actually have an Instagram account called Titan Calendars where we take a photo at the end of the day so everyone knows what's going on. And if you don't work here, don't follow it. It's private. So this is also the area where at the end of every week I hold like a weekly debrief so everyone sort of gets to know what happened and what's coming up the next week. And let me show you. Yo guys, gather! Everyone, can y'all just come here and you know, we have a talk?
Yo guys, gather.
Alright guys, so this week, good job everyone, and next week we will be working
guys,
on...
go and work on more Church Monkey videos. You know, 1 week, 1 video is not enough. We need more, like daily. Come on, let's go. Yeah, stop shaking your heads. Let's go and work on it, guys.
So this is where we store all our production equipment. As you can see, there are a lot of batteries here, and it's where we put all our valuable stuff, our cameras, our lenses, you know, you see tripods, monopods, and light stands. I can't even keep track. And in here is the stuff that we no longer want, and you know, we don't know how to get rid of it, so we just throw it in here. So yeah, all the stuff we no longer want to use. Just let me lock it up. And yeah, let's move on. So here we have the marketing side of things. Eliza and Cousin here. What are y'all working on?
We are working on proposals for potential clients. Yeah, and I'm just replying to some emails.
All right, and we have Sherilyn, who's in charge of our merch.
Yes, so here we have our Buncha Piggy tees, we have Ladies First notebooks, and our limited edition 3 million hoodies. You can get them at shophao.co.
And we have Siti here, who you see in our videos, Miss Siti, who is the principal of the school, but she is actually also, you know, the finance person, the administration person in the company, so she's really busy. And she always has like these like loads of documents that I have to sign, and my hand gets very tired every day. So yeah, very busy. Moving on. So here we have the meeting room. Now we gotta be a little quiet because there's actually a meeting going on in there, and it's actually the same room that we did a lot of the planning for the proposal video. If you watch that now, we're gonna head upstairs to check out the studio. So we have a filming studio on the 5th floor, and if you notice, this is actually the same setting which we film our video, the emergency video with the fire. Alright, so let's go check out the studio now. So welcome to our recording studio. Sorry. So right here is where we do a lot of our videos. This is our playtime set. So whenever we do playtime TV videos, we're here, Cindy and I, we're playing the toys, we're unboxing toys, doing some challenges. This is where we do our review and review videos. So we review tech, we review everything that comes our way. So this is where we do it. We also do some videos with the paper thing. I don't know what it's called, but we pull down the paper and we shoot the video. Oh right, 5PL videos, we shoot it here. As you can see, lots of PlayStation, lots of games, and more games. So it's a very multi-functional room because it's not a very big space, but there are like 4 different channels who use this room. So yeah, and as you can see, we're not just Titan here. Titan actually has a sister company called Episoft Asia, who is the leading distributor for games and entertainment software. So we'll be bringing in stuff like Sega Genesis Mini, Borderlands 3, Cyberpunk 2077, so a lot of exciting stuff. Stay tuned for that. But this is all I'm showing you for today. So subscribe, watch our latest video. You guys know what to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Just cut it. Hello, Kevin? It's happening again.